Hello, everyone. My name is Mia Carberry, and I am here to talk about the consequences of climate change on global scale landscapes and smaller regional landscapes. Within our global landscape changes, I will discuss sea level rise and melting ice sheets. At the regional level, I will discuss the loss of coral reefs and how sea level rise is disturbing island communities. There are two factors contributing to sea level rise. One factor is that as ocean water warms, it expands. The other factor is that warmer temperatures are melting glaciers and ice sheets, and the water from them is rising the sea level. This will lead to increased flooding in coastal regions. We will lose beaches, coastal property, and coastal infrastructure. Costs will be millions to billions of dollars, and the loss of beaches will also harm organisms like sea turtles, who lay their eggs in beach sand, and crabs that live on the beach. Another habitat we are losing is polar ice. Warming temperatures and warmer oceans are melting ice at an alarming rate. The loss of ice surface is resulting in habitat loss for animals like polar bears, penguins, seals, walruses, and more. These animals are exclusively adapted to these extreme environments. The results are food chain interruptions and loss of species that are unable to adapt. As the water from the melting ice flows into the oceans, the difference in water temperature will lead to disturbances in ocean currents, which will change global temperatures and interrupt food chains. The melted ice is mostly freshwater, and losing this water to the ocean decreases the global amount of fresh water. Finally, melting ice is also a contributing factor to the sea level rise that we discussed in the last slide. A very important landscape change occurring due to climate change is the loss of our coral reefs. Coral reefs are extremely diverse and important ecosystems. They provide habitats to many marine animals and are heavily influential to the food chain. They provide humans coastal barriers to storms, and scientists use them to make medicines. Ocean acidification, pollution, low quality, and more are responsible for the death of our coral reefs. The loss of this valuable, fragile ecosystem will lead to massive habitat loss and subsequent species extinction. For humans, job and food security reliant on the ocean will be threatened. Sea level rise, flooding, and extreme weather events are causing parts of Hawaii and Japan to be falling below sea level. Erosion is slowly tearing away at the island coasts, and sea level is taking over land over time. For example, 80% of the Maldives are located only 1 meter above sea level. People living here may have to relocate if the sea level continues to rise. Here are my references. Thank you guys so much for listening. I hope you have a great day.